silly bands, silly bands, silly bands. If it's raining outside, I get some cash and drive to the store and go buy silly bands. Even pets love them. Even this thing loves them. And so does this thing. You can put them on your water bottle. Or even on your lotion. You can put them on your radio! Stop! You can put them on your toilet. Oh yeah.
You can tuck them into bed at night. Sweet dreams, my little angel. You can do anything you want to do with them. You can do anything at all.
You can put them on your drum set.
You can, totally drive them to cheerleading class. Oh, yeah.
They taste good with the jimmies. Yum, yum, yum.
You can play dress up with them. You can eavesdrop on them when they're on the phone with their boyfriend.
Oh my god, we should totally hang out. Oh yeah.
You can even eat them.
No wait, don't! Stop!
And last but not least,
you can wear them on your wrist.
But who would want to do that?
yeah, that's boring.
I know about silly bands. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now I know about silly bands. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now I know about silly bands. Yeah, 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 yeah. Peace out. Silly bands.
I love you, baby.
Yeah.
Buy them today at a store near you.